So you're finally ready to invest in crypto. About damn time. I am the Digital Wealth Wizard, and today I'll be guiding you through the steps of buying your first digital currency with a heads up on what to use and what to look out for, so stay tuned. Let's start with this. What the fuck is crypto? Cryptocurrencies are decentralized digital currencies that operate on a secure, open source blockchain technology. Popular examples include Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin. Step 1 is choosing a reputable exchange. Coinbase, Binance, and Crypto.com are popular options for beginners. Create an account and verify your identity by uploading your passport or ID. This should only take you a couple of minutes. Once you've created an account and you're verified, let's get some money in there. You can do this by linking your bank account, debit card, or credit card. Once your card is connected, you can purchase any crypto, and the cost of the crypto will get charged straight to your bank account. Now, let's get this bread. It's time to make your first purchase. Choose the cryptocurrency you want to buy with the amount you want to spend. Let's just start with maybe $100 worth of Bitcoin. If you're using Binance, just select the BTC option and put in $100 USD. This will charge $100 USD to your bank account, and $100 USD worth of Bitcoin will now appear in your Binance wallet. Now, I don't want to harp on, but let's run through a few safety tips here. Safety tip number 1, make sure your crypto is stored safely, especially if you have a solid bag in there. You'll want to store your cryptocurrency in a secure hardware wallet. Hardware wallets like Ledger Nano S and Trezor are popular choices for keeping your cryptocurrency safe. Safety tip number 2, it's important to keep track of your investments and stay informed about the cryptocurrency market. Use tracking apps like CoinMarketCap, Blockfolio, or Delta to monitor your portfolio and stay up to date with news and price changes. This is important because if things start going downhill, or things start going uphill, you really want to know so you know whether to hold or sell. Safety tip 3, remember to stay compliant with tax laws when investing in cryptocurrency. Keep track of your purchases and your sales and consult with a tax professional if needed. I couldn't recommend this anymore. Make sure you have everything tracked so you can take it to your accountant and they can ensure that it's presented right and you're not stuck with a massive bill. To be honest, the number 1 tip I ever got was keep learning. Learn about cryptocurrency and blockchain technology. Join online communities, attend meetups, and read articles and books on the subject. This will help you make informed investment decisions and stay ahead of the game. It's over to you now, boss. Stop wasting time. Choose a reputable exchange, create an account, add funds, make your first purchase, store your cryptocurrency safely, track your investments, stay compliant with tax laws, keep learning, and keep earning. If this helps, like and subscribe. We'll be doing giveaways and uploading the latest in crypto news and help tutorials weekly. Bye for now.